Federal cuts from President Trump's Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, have put researchers around the country in a huge bind.
Hundreds of millions of dollars in federal funding have been pulled from colleges and universities nationwide, including right here at home.
So Dennis Valera is on your corner at Johns Hopkins University with more on the impact on that campus. Dennis.
Denise and Nikki, Johns Hopkins University has been a top recipient of National Institutes of Health grant funding for many, many years. We still don't know the exact impact of the university here. However, we do know of one case where the recipient just wanted to help people with his research.
I was confused at first why I was receiving this notice of award.
Because Dr. Tom Carpino thought he already was guaranteed nearly $50,000 to fund his PhD work on Mpox, looking into stigma as well as data into who's testing and who's getting vaccinated for it. But 5 pages in, this line: the award is terminated effective March 10th, 2025. It was devastating.
It was covering my tuition, it was covering the research funds. But it was really my livelihood. My ability to do my PhD was in part because of the funding I received from NIH.
In the letter, the NIH writes the agency is no longer prioritizing research looking into vaccine hesitancy and improving vaccine interest. Carpino says his research does not explore those ideas.
Vaccination is one piece of the puzzle when you're studying an infectious disease. So without talking about vaccination, you're not really looking at the full picture.
Johns Hopkins has received hundreds of millions of dollars in NIH grants over the years. According to the NIH data, the university got more than $130 million for the current fiscal year. On X, the Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, has touted millions in NIH cuts. NIH also posted more than $250 million in funding was cut to Columbia University in New York.
There's a lot of questions that remain.
Carpino says colleagues who haven't lost their funding yet are worried it'll be on the chopping block soon. For now, he's figuring out how to compensate for the money he thought he had.
It's hard for me to grapple with the idea that public health is a political issue, that it's a contentious issue to care about the well-being of our society.
The university has also lost more than $800 million in USAID funding. That has led to the loss of nearly 2,000 positions globally. Reporting live on your corner at Johns Hopkins University's Homewood campus, I'm Dennis Valera for WJZ.
Dennis, thank you.